Now that we have acquainted ourselves with numbers, it's time to bring the data to life. Data visualization is like turning on the lights in a dark room. It eliminates patterns, trends, and relationships that might otherwise go unnoticed. We use a variety of charts and graphs like histograms, box plots, and scatter plots. These visual representations allow us to see the story the data is telling. For example, a histogram can show us the distribution of ages in our dataset, as they evenly distributed or skewed towards a particular age group. Box plots reveal the spread and skewness of data, helping us identify outliers and understand variability. And scatter plots, they are invaluable for spotting correlations between variables. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in data analysis, a well chosen visualization can speak volumes.